Let's see how to link your Android phone to Windows 11. Press the Windows key, then type phone link. Enter. You then need to sign in to your Microsoft account. Once signed in, at the top right here, click on the gear icon. Then click on Devices and click on Add Device. Choose Android and a QR code should generate. Now head on over to your Android phone, then swipe down from the top to access the quick settings and long press link to Windows. Press sign in using the QR codes on your PC. Then scan the QR codes. Click on continue, then input the code that's shown on the screen. Once done, toggle link to Windows. That's how to link your Android phone to Windows 11. See you soon!